team building from our company and the chairman. So we are enjoying from this Hatta area. So this is one of the, every time we are trying to different location, different atmosphere to gather together and enjoy the climate as well, and work. Sometimes we are so many stress. So just like this, if we are coming here, so we'll enjoy, and we will talk openly and not work actually supposed to be. Then we are enjoying here. This is a farmhouse. This farmhouse is one of the best area in Hatta, near to the Oman border. If you come and see this area, if you can come with family, you can come with your friends, maybe 20 people, 15 people. It can be any very good. You can cook barbecue. You can do your own activities. There is swimming pool. There is playground. There is a lot of fruits here around. So this is one of the good place. You can see here the hill opposite. This hill opposite, you can see this is Oman border. So maybe you can see here all the videos. I will bring it one by one, step by step. It's coming. So watch fully Legendary Discovery channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe now. Okay, so you will get a full video coverage and all over UAE. Not only it's limited, and also all over the world. Thank you very much for watching Legendary Discovery. Bye. So this area is sunset viewing area. You can see surround this area. We have to go almost like steps, almost maybe 40-50 steps. You have to take care, and I will show the how is the sunset is going to happen later on. Maybe today, if possible, I will today, or maybe tomorrow. Let me see. So this is the one of the good place to visit in Hatta, this farm. Normally we go for desert, sometimes we go for hill station, sometimes we will go for different area, right? So this is the sunset. Wow. This is, you can see here, this is the border. This is the Oman border. Hatta, if you are going to Hatta route, this is the Oman border. You can see here. Wow, this is the highest point from this farmhouse, and you can go this way as well. And this another way is, oh, so much cold. Wow. See here. Oh, nice. You can see here. This is our farmhouse. This we are playing this area. Our all car there. Early morning also very good. Wow, it's amazing. You can see here the hill. Subhanallah. How is the hill? Wow, nice view. You can see here. You can see here now. Right now, I will take to another side. Very careful to go high or down. It's tricky part. It's too much. You can see here. Wow. Oof. It's too windy. It's too windy means too windy. Wow. This is the border. By mistake, we came from this area. You can see here, we came this behind this area, and we don't know how to go, and we come around like this from that area. We come out from there. You can see the hill. Subhanallah. This is, you see, wow. I'll show you here closely. Wow, you can see here. Oh, unbelievable. Only sunset only we can give the price. This is complete. You can see here Hatta, completely Hatta view. You can see a lot of dates tree. I can see from here a lot of mountains up and down. There is a lot of developments going on. You can see there is one road is going on. What they're doing, I don't know. Maybe can be more it's coming farmhouse this area. I hope so, because we came behind and we struck, and it's one of the good experience. And you will see that video as well. We'll share every video. Please subscribe, share your comment. It's give me some energy to make more videos. You can also visit one time, maybe today or tomorrow or anytime. Thank you. Kids play area. It's one of the good area, and also the children also can good. If you are coming with family, it's very interesting, and you will enjoy more. So the interesting part, some of the things I can show you, some vegetables around there, and you can see there a lot of small area they keep it for chit chat or maybe group talk or barbecue. So many different places. This area is especially for barbecue. You see, people already start talk. So you can see here. So I can show you one round, so you will understand how is that. Chapatikali also here. So this is a good flowers. Yes, yes. Ahlan, ahlan, ahlan. You see, like this barbecue area. So this area is fruits, lot of fruits available, especially for orange and some lemon, some konoplianga, some badanga. Wow. There's another area called Sisa area. This is firing. Wow. Nighttime you can see here a lot of fires. Some people already gathering for trying how to make smoke. Eh? Eh? هذا هذا حركات كبير. Subscribe. So, legendary discovery. Yeah. Yeah. इधर है यार. अरे यार. So very beautiful flowers you can see here. It's amazing. You see here? Wow. Some of the flowers, yeah, you can see here. Wow. Nice flowers. So this is the tour about our farmhouse, papaya. Still not yet come. This is swimming pool. If somebody need it, you can go. 2 kids are waiting for food. Wow. There is people came late comers as usual. So here, the good thing, this is A, Villa A. You can see here, very nice places. And you can see here, 4 bed, okay, and nice toilet available, dining hall. And you can see here, good thing, fridge, everything neat and clean. So you can come and enjoy sitting area, and nice. If you are coming with family, it's much better. Maybe 2 family, 3 family, you can full. You see here? Wow. Nice smell. And this is B. I'm going to B now. I will show you the B. This is sitting area. You can enjoy. Sit here and you can enjoy this area as well. Wow. There's only 2 people eating with the cat. Cat is missing. Here another 3 bed is available. And here 1 bedroom is available. Here. And here, mashallah, tabarakallah, food is available. Let come us. This majlis only. Wait. So this is the main tour about this area. I don't know how food. Go there, go there, go there. Not here. Kuya, Guava. This guava. There is cauliflower I can see here. Mutakos, cauliflower. And you see, wow. See me along the palam. Many trees available. Nice place. You can enjoy this location. See you soon. You can also one video you can share from your who are watching here. You can take one video and you can bring it here as well. Okay. Thank you. So these two guys, without support, the OCR will not run. This is two is very important for the OCR team and the port special team, sport special system teams. They are super heroes. Hi,